Good morning. Quick revision 10th standard. Question number 15 to 18. First lesson. 2 mark. Keyword fail to fly. அப்படின்னோடனே afraid to fly ஞாபகம். AFRAID afraid TO2 fly FLY fly. Fail to fly ஞாபகம். Afraid to fly. First attempt அப்படின்னா ended in failure. ENDED ended in in failure. FAILURE failure ended in failure. First catch அப்படின்னு ஞாபகம் herring HERRING first catchனா herring fish அப்படின்னு ஞாபகம். search for food mackerel tail MACKEREL mackerel's tail TAIL mackerel's tail. Dried pieces of mackerel's tail, dried pieces of egg shell EGG egg shell SHELL egg shell. Attention of parents acting or pretending to be falling asleep ACTING acting TO2 BB falling 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 asleep ASLEEP acting to be falling asleep. Mad a piece of fish PIECE a piece of fish FISH a piece of fish. Prompted a piece of fish PIECE piece of fish FISH. Natural birds instinct BIRDS birds instinct INSTINCT instinct. Do you think? Yes, I think. Did the mother offer? No. ஸோ இந்த குயிக் ரிவிஷனில் இந்த கீவேர்டு வந்தோடனே உங்களுக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஞாபகம் வரும். இப்போ நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக கொஷினில் பார்க்கலாம். Why did the seagull fail to fly? ஸோ fail to fly அப்படின்ற கீவேர்டு வந்து ஞாபகம் வரணும். He was afraid to fly. He was afraid to fly. What was the first catch of the young seagull's older brother கேட்குறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேட்ச்னு ஞாபகம் வரணும். herring fish. What did the young seagull manage to find in his search for food on the ledge? Search for food ன்னு ஞாபகம் வரணும் உங்களுக்கு. Dried pieces of mackerel's tail and eggshell. What did the young bird to do seek the attention of his parents அப்படின்னா ஞாபகம் வரணும். Pretended or acting to fall asleep. Pretended acting to fall asleep. It occurred a low cackle. What made the young seagull go mad அப்படின்னா ஞாபகம் வரணும். Hungry. அடுத்து why did the mother bird offer any food to the young bird அப்படின்னு கேட்குறேன். No, the mother didn't offer any food to the young bird. Next, how was the young seagull first attempt to fly? First attempt ஞாபகம் failure. First attempt to fly was a failure because he was afraid to fly. Do you think that the young seagull's parents were asked to him? Why? No. Why என்ற கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் it is their duty to train him to fly. What prompted the young seagull to fly finally? The mother seagull showed a piece of fish. The natural bird instinct and urge for survival prompted the young seagull to fly finally.